Guys, in this video I will tell you how to remove objects from your image if the background is gradient or some pattern. So this is the image. uh, this is the pattern. Background is a pattern. Table has a color, that is a pattern. So how we can remove this object from this image? Select the area. There is shadow, so we are consider the shadow. Again we select. Now the area is selected, means object is selected. Fill option, fill. There is option is content aware. You can find many options there: background, foreground, or content aware. Content aware option is very simple tool that is provided by Photoshop to remove some content or object from your image with a surrounding pattern or gradient color. So I am pressing OK. This object will remove with some surrounding gradient pattern. So you can easily remove your objects, and you can, after that you can add some objects according to your need. So this is the first example. I will show you another example. So by this method you can easily correct your image. This is the another image. I am selecting this area to remove this red corner. So area is selected. Now fill, content aware, OK. So now you can see the area is removed and filled by just pattern that is surrounding this area. So you can easily edit your image. Okay, now another example is, this is my another example. You can use rectangle marquee for fast selection. You must select only the perfect or fixed area that you want to edit. So right click on it, fill, content aware, OK. So you can easily remove the selected area with the background, that is this background is a gradient background. On my first image have some pattern background, so you can again remove this, so the shadow will also be removed. So like this you can edit your images with content aware method and remove object that you don't want to see there, and re-add your content. So guys, thanks for watching.